If you've ever sat through a product demo video, wishing you could just click around yourself, that's exactly the gap Supademo fills. It's an AI-powered platform that turns any screen recording into an interactive, clickable walkthrough that your audience can actually explore. We're on the website right now. It's supademo.com. Exceptional product demos in minutes, not days. And you can go ahead and get started for free. So we're going to show you. We're going to log in. So we're in our little dashboard right now. We're going to show you what we're talking about right here. We're going to head into the Create section here and have a bit of a look at some little projects that we've got going on. Let's have a look. Roll it. Nice. So this is basically giving a walkthrough. Very good. Roll, mate. Pop your name in there, your email, and get the role in there. So this is what it actually does. This is what Supademo is able to do. Yeah, let's get that booked into the calendar. So that was created on Supademo. That's kind of what we're working with here. So if we head into the Create section now, it says, open the website you want to record, click the extension icon, then you just perform the actions from there. Now let's have a look. Right, so we've got the Supademo right there. Hide sensitive data if you want, and we can go ahead and record the interactive demo. You can select guided demo, HTML cloning, screenshot and video, or HTML cloning for the sandbox demo here. So you hover, then click to capture. Pause every 1 to 2 seconds between clicks, and then stop recording when you're actually done. So see in there at the bottom left, it's recording right now. Now we capture and here we go. You can use manual capture as well. Finishing landing page. Yeah, so see how I'm clicking, waiting 2 seconds and then capturing? Super easy. So we go down to campaign metrics. We're capturing mine there. Cool, let's keep going. So we're just manually going through using this manual capture, waiting those 2 seconds between. Got in? Good. Capturing. Setting up new task section here, as we can see. Comments. It's really putting our whole tutorial together really nicely, and it's just way more professional than a typical boring screen recorder. This is way better. It's so much more professional looking. Task description. Yep, let's get that done. Got our subtask section here as well. Support and files. Embedded a PDF. You can do the whole thing there as well. Capture that whole screen with everything there. When you're ready, you just want to close that off. Yep, let's capture that. Cool. Alright, so creating your Supademo. So we'll stop that there. Manage marketing campaigns and tasks in Notion. So that's what the demo's for. Let's see. We can choose the different bits and bobs here. Background, whether it's pointer style or how to do it. Different backdrop, whether it's light, dark, the border radius, visibility, the kind of animation we've got going on there. Background color is also very important. We can change that over to like red or yellow or a bit of maybe pinkish if that's the vibe. Very nice. All right, let's see now. So we got the Learn More section. We've got the settings here, which we can change up too. We've got different connectors we can work with, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Gmail. You can go in and connect all of those, as well as add a custom connector too. Pop the name in there, Supademo. So this is for Claude, right? So we can go in, attach Claude, and pop that in there. Add our connector, and we can easily use Claude to actually help. All right, let's have a look, see. Let's connect. So we've just got to authorize that connection with Claude. Claude wants to access the account. Just make sure you're happy with that. And once you are, you can hit authorize. They're good. So now you've got the assistance of Claude with Supademo as well. Very cool. For the demo, state all of the hotspots to have a black background, so you can make those adjustments. Let's see what it can do. I'll help you update the hotspots and generate voiceovers for that demo, loading the necessary tools. Yep, let's go. Get me the demo details. Let's search for the demo tool. Perfect. Now it's going to get to work. Just needs that workspace ID. Initializing it right now on Claude. Fantastic. So this is all the different things that Claude's been able to do for us. Getting the voiceovers in there. So we just refresh that. To begin, click the dashboard. Cover image to open marketing dashboard. Now we've got the different scenes here on the left, as we can see. We can play that, just manually going through and checking it out. And once you're happy with it all, you can go ahead and actually share it. So everything's here. You can create that personal voice link, get it sent off. You can download it, get your embeds sorted out as well. Everything's here. Your pop-up embed, you can preview that, and it's taking you through the steps, step 1 and 2, about adding the code and then adding that clickable button. So it's all very straightforward. Supademo, the exceptional product demos in minutes, not days. So it's what you need to do. Whatever product you've got, need a really simple, easy to understand demo. Maybe for your employees, your students, anyone. Supademo's the place to do it. You'll want to be using it. You can start for free, and it's the fastest growing, and it's in G2's top 50 sales products, sitting at number 5 right now. If you're looking to replace your product screen recordings with interactive demos, give the link in the description a go for free right now. If you enjoyed today's video, take a sec to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on another video.